What's up with the what's ups, party people? Well, today I figured we'd get into a little something. I got some wheels. This one I have to go get balanced. Uh, I had one originally that I had powder coated, and then we threw it on with a brand new tire, and that sucker was bent. Then I went and got another one, and it was the wrong size axle. So I took that one back and traded it for another one, which ended up to be bent to all get out also. So took those back, bought a brand new one, slapped on the tire, got it put on the bike, and it's got a little wobble. I don't know if it has to do with the spokes or what. So I'm actually gonna pull it off on the bike, take it to get it balanced, and let's see what happens from there. So let's get to it. Okay, before we get started, these are the tools we're going to need to remove this front wheel. Going to need a 9/16 wrench, a 3/4 socket, and a 5/16 Allen. So we're basically going to remove this nut and this Allen. This Allen actually has this bolt right here. So this is where you'll put your wrench, get your Allen, and you'll unloosen from there. Same thing from here. Now my fork lowers are shaved, which means there's no tabs for the brake or the fender. So there's no need for us to prepare for anything to remove any brake lines or the caliper or anything like that. Another thing I forgot, we don't want to get a dead blow, because as soon as we unbolt everything, we're going to smash power right there and pop that sucker right out. Add that to the list of tools. Hi. Alright, well now that we got this wheel off, let's head on out to get it a balance. No, not a him. We're gonna go to our local Harley Davidson dealership, and I heard they all do it for 30 bucks. Bye bye Wild West, thank y'all. Alright, so we got our wheel balanced. Got the weights up on y'all right there. So alright, well let's get to it. We got the axle nut and the pinch bolt snugged in. We're going to torque them down to spec. So that one right there is the axle bolt, and that one is 55 pounds. Then the pinch bolt, that one here, that one is 27. What we're gonna do, we'll do the axle bolt first, and that one I was at 55 pounds. So that one's can you see right here? So this side is what we're going to want to use, and this is for pounds. So you'll just read it from square into the middle, which is going to be 0. You'll make sure this side is loose all the way, and then those are running all the way to 55. Turn it up. Yo, swaparoo. Okay. Now when it gets to where it's at spec, it'll click 2 times and let you know.
Bada bing, bada bang.
Okay, for the pinch bolt side, now we're going to go 27. And loosener. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see none of them numbers, huh? 20. Okay. Tighten her up. Okay. Let me grab the Allen. The other side screw is moving with it. Bam. And that, my fine feathered friends, is how to install your front tire, torque down to spec. Well, that's a wrap with that front wheel. I'm glad you guys got to see it. Hope you check in again next time. And remember, keep on keeping on.